Hi everyone, we're going to the in Bataan mountain, Shaira. It's there, this place.
There, it's mountain. Because of
It's this mountain, it's our friend showed to his village. So we're going now to the mountain farm in
We
Bataan.
call it the Eyrie.
What name?
The Eyrie.
Diary. From mountain, from here to mountain, it's not so
It's
far.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. It's already center of Bataan.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to mountain. This mountain.
So we're going there, center.
Uh-huh. Okay. Bataan provincial highway. A little bit cloudy in the mountain.
That's Mount Samad.
Going to Barangay Road. It's hotel maybe.
It's Amica subdivision.
Ah, it's subdivision. Condominium. Just it's Barangay already.
It's dark.
Here only start build road. Soon start of road. Ah, it's already off-road start. It's not easy to drive here.
No, I've been this button lock before.
And what?
We use motor. You remember that one?
Ah, with me?
Yes, we go to mountain also.
Yes, but with car like this. Going to up. Cloudy. Time
We're
now.
going up the clouds.
Yes. You said colder. this is all your place.
Yes.
Village.
This is a small church. I was the one who built that one for the people here.
Ah, you built for
Yes,
people.
for the people. This is my one. This is the gate.
Ah, this is gate to your farm.
Yes.
So you won't build a road here.
Yes.
Dock, you see a dock maybe.
Okay.
Ah, someone live here.
This is my man.
Look, cars are dirty because we drive in the off-road. Shaira like picture, video. Yes, it's not easy to drive to here because it's road, you see. It's same like in Baguio, but it's Bataan. Yeah, it's nice place. You can see sea. It's Bataan Bay. What name of this mountain?
That's Limay Mountain.
Limay.
This is the Manila Bay. If it's a very clear sky, you can see Manila on the other side of the bay.
Nice view now, sunset. And this is port, it's Bataan port.
Orion Port.
Orion port. But use this one is good here for with off-road.
Ano nga ng ano? Gasolina? Ay Maricel? Kahit ano lang, 2 litro lang. Ano? Kahit 2 litro lang.
Do you like Shaira here?
Yes, I like.
Ano? Bakit walang gasolina kay Maricel? Wala po.
It's water from the mountain.
From the mountain, yeah, this one. You know, I bought, you know, the land, the wildland there to protect the watershed. So no people will ever go there. It's on the source of my water.
So it's clean water here. Shaira, do you want use? Shaira.
No, I don't want. Maybe
Afraid?
it's bigger.
Bigger for you?
Ilagay mo na lahat dun sa kabila. Huwag ka na. Sige, ilagay mo lang sa kabila.
Let's go. Okay. But it right always straight.
Carabao afraid. Oh, good view.
Alright.
Shire afraid to Carabao here. Very good view, really. But I'm scared to drive because of road. It's not in the car. It's Carabao already not afraid. Oh, really good view. I think it's already can see Manila. Ah, also can see buildings. And this one is your village. Oh, here good. Who put Carabao here? It's from the where he stay with Carabao. He stay. Ah, it's your Carabao.
I have horses also.
Ah, and horses also.
Coconut pest.
Ah, it's cool.
Two?
No. Iwan mo na. Yung sa coconut pest. Yung sa coconut pest. They kill the coconut.
Ah. Oh.
This one kills the coconut.
But he cannot bite.
No, it doesn't bite.
Интересненько. First time see this one. Okay. What name of game this, Shaira? Billiard? Ah, like this billiard. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So in province, Georgi like billiard. Now night. Take a look. View. This is SM Bataan there. And so far it's Manila. This is Manila Bay. And you can see Manila and Cavite also. Here don't have electric power, only solar.